So now our IP address is 192.168.10.0. First IP is of network IP. Then 192.168.10.2, 192.168.10.3, 192.168.10.4, right? So our last IP is 192.168.10.63, as we have 64, right? So our last IP, which is the broadcast IP. And this is our valid IP address range. Okay, so shall I write this like this? 192.168.10.0 slash 26, which is come here. Just like of it is an 8-bit, 8 plus 16, 16 plus 24, and 2 is this, so it comes like 26. Okay, so slash 26, this is our CIDR value, which is known as CIDR value, which we can say that classless inter-domain routing. Okay, and one thing more, you can star it that after subnet, IP address become classless. Okay, and OSPF supports subnetting. Okay, dear. Then let me give you the live example. Window R, NEC पे. Go to any network properties. Then go to IPv4. Let me put the value 192.168.10. What is our IP? 1. What is the class? Subnet mask of class C, right? Okay, dear. It is taking the subnet mask automatically. So let me do another example. Another example of class B subnet. So we have to assign 500 users to the company. Okay. Which IP address is 172.17.0.0. So what's our first step to do this? Step 1, finding our host bit, right? Two is to power n subtract by 2 is greater than equal to 500, right? Then we are start putting our value. 2 is to power 0 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 500. 2 is to power 1 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 500. 2 is to power, then we are putting all the values. Same as this. Now I'm putting the value. 2 is to power 9 subtract 2 greater than equal to 500. So it will come 510 subtract 2 is greater than and equal to 500, right? So the value of n is equal to 9. Then our second step, step 2, convert DSF to CSF. Default subnet mask to custom subnet mask. 255.255.0.0. Shall I write this? 255.255 dot, right? So what is the value of n? 9. So we put 1 after our 9 zeros. So what we can write this? 255.255 7 0 2 3 4 5 6 7. Because our host bit is 9. Then what I let me convert this binary to again decimal 255 dot 254.0, right? Then what's our third step is step 3, find the block size. Block size is equal to 2 is to power n. 2 power n mean 9 is equal to 512. So our total IPs will come like 512. Okay. So our IP address starts with 172.17.0.0, which is our network IP, right? Next our IP 172.17.0.0 1.0.1/23. 172.17.0.2/23. Then this our last is 172.17 dot what 1.255/23, which is our broadcast IP. And we have, if we have network 172.17, this is our broadcast IP. Okay. Before this, we can also write this value also will come 117.0.255, right? /23. Our first and last IP, you also know that one is our network IP and another is our broadcast IP. Same steps will come in class A subnetting. Okay, let me tell you about the subnet mask of all the classes. Class C subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, right? So we can write this like this. How many one is 24? So we can write this like this /24. How many the network bits? Class B subnet mask 255.255.0.0 /16 we can write. Class A subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, right? We can write it like /8. Okay. Then please do the practice of subnetting, and in the next video we will cover our another topic, FLSM and VLSM. Thanks for today.